In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Mailchimp and QuickBooks online accounts seamlessly. This can transform the way you handle your business data and marketing efforts. By the end of this video, you'll be able to sync customer data, segment your audience, and create targeted campaigns with ease. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into both your Mailchimp and QuickBooks online accounts. Having both of these platforms at your fingertips will make the integration process smooth and efficient. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll be switching between these two accounts throughout this tutorial. Once you're logged into Mailchimp, search for the Integrations tab. This is where all the magic happens. Within the Integrations section, you'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for is the QuickBooks integration. It might be listed alphabetically, so it should be easy to spot. Now the next step is to connect your QuickBooks account to Mailchimp by authorizing access. Mailchimp will ask you to give permission for this integration to work properly, so go ahead and click the authorization prompt. This step is crucial as it ensures that both platforms can communicate with each other securely. Mailchimp will then guide you through the process to confirm that the connection has been established. Look for any confirmation messages to know that you're on the right path. With your accounts now connected, it's time to sync your customer data from QuickBooks to your Mailchimp audiences. This is going to enable you to have all your information in one place and is ideal for managing customer relationships effectively. To do this, follow the prompts that Mailchimp provides to ensure the data transfer is complete. This initial sync might take a little time, especially if you have a large customer database, so be patient. Now that your data is synced, you can make the most of Mailchimp's powerful segmentation tools. Use Mailchimp to segment your customers based on different criteria, like purchase history or location, to create targeted campaigns. Segmentation will help you deliver more personalized content to specific portions of your audience, which can significantly improve engagement and conversion rates. It's not just about setting things into motion, though. Continuously monitor your campaign results through the analytics section in Mailchimp. This will offer valuable insights into what's working and what might need adjusting. As you analyze these results, regularly update your contacts by keeping the information fresh and addressing any changes in your customer data. By regularly revisiting your integration and campaign strategies, you can maintain a robust system that supports your business goals. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newfound integration skills between Mailchimp